Okay, good evening. Welcome to
FamilyMath1048.
FamilyMath1048. So we actually talked about this problem yesterday. Sorry for messing with the camera. We actually talked about this problem yesterday, but it had so many different interesting solutions that I thought it'd be fun to talk through them again. So this isn't the first time you're seeing this problem, right? So why don't you tell me a little bit about what you thought about this problem last night?
So we have, let z be a root of z to the fifth minus 1 equals 0. So it's a fifth root of unity, but it's not 1. And we have to compute z to the 15 plus z to the 16 plus z to the 17 plus all the way up plus z to the 50th.
Yeah.
This also says that z to the 5th equals 1. So that means we can subtract away multiples of 5 from the power. So like, this would be z to the 5th times z to the 5th times z to the 5th. This would be z to the 5th times z to the 5th times z to the 5th times z. So this would simplify to be 1, because z to the 5th is 1, plus z squared, plus z cubed, plus z to the 4th, and then it would repeat, it would go back to 1. So you'd get a bunch of these groups. So you'd have 1 from 15 to 19, 1 from 20 to 24, 25 to 29, 30 to 34, 35 to 39, 40 to 44, and 45 to 49. So you'd have 7 of these groups of 1 plus z squared plus z cubed plus z to the 4th. And then you have z to the 50th, which is plus 1.
Okay, nice.
So these are 1 plus z squared plus z cubed. So these are all the fifth roots of unity. Again. So if we draw out those 1 z squared, z
I'm just going to double check. Yep, you're on camera.
And then what we can do is take them one by one. So this would represent 1. Going up, this would represent z. Across would represent z squared. Down represents z cubed, and then down again to represent z to the 4th.
Okay.
So this would, adding up all of these would create a regular pentagon, which means you would get back to where you started, which means the sum is 0.
Interesting.
So multiplying that by 7 would get you 0, and then adding 1 gets you 1. So it means this sum is 1.
Nice. Okay, cool. Do you remember some other ways to approach this problem?
Yeah.
Well, you don't have to do them now. What's the next one you remember a different approach?
Or you can calculate what this is, because it's a geometric series.
Okay, cool. Let's do that approach in the next video.